Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, then welcome back. Make sure to subscribe and like this video and comment down below any other products you'd like me to try out. So, in today's video, I will be testing out two new products that are out. These are by Makeup Forever, I believe. No, actually Smashbox. So this is a new Smashbox Super Fanned Out Mascara, and it looks like this. And this is a new Smashbox Always On Liquid Eyeliner. And this is how it looks. Okay, so I got both of these in the shade black. Yeah, they're both in black. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna create a wing on both eyes, obviously. But the thing is that for one of them, I'm gonna create it like, you know, right away, and the other one I'm gonna first put on mascara. Wow, this is pretty huge. And let me tell you guys how much this was sold for. So give me one moment. Okay, guys. So the mascara is $19 and the eyeliner is $22. This is $22, and wow, I just got makeup on it. So $19 and $22, and this has, let's see, 0.33 fluid ounces, and this has, I don't think it's gonna tell us. It has 0.2 ounces. Actually no, it's just 0.02 ounces. So like I said, I'm gonna do one of my eyes first, like, you know, the wing. Let's see how smooth and how black and how intense this is, and then we're gonna try on the mascara just on one eye, just to like, because I feel like when you do the wing and then you put on mascara, you really block a lot of the mascara out. So we'll see how it works out, so just watch. Okay, so that is one wing. The black is pretty intense. Let me change it over to this side. So the black is pretty intense. It wasn't that hard to work with. It looks just a tad bit glossy, but it kind of does look matte as well, so I don't really mind. I'm gonna go in with the mascara on top, and we'll see what happens. And this is how the wand looks like. Can you guys see that? This is how the wand looks like, and I'm just gonna go straight on in. And I'm gonna use a small little mirror for this, just because I don't want to get on my eyeshadow. Okay, so that was, oops, that was a pretty coated layer, but in all honesty, wow, this is not what I thought when I got this mascara. I don't know, I don't really like it. I prefer okay, this is L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. This is one of my favorites. Or I also have the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. That mascara is really good. I actually even prefer this mascara over this one, even though I don't really like this mascara. I just feel like, I don't know, but it's just like, I don't really like this mascara. But let me try it on the other eye. Let's see what happens on this eye. Okay, so I was thinking like maybe I can't really tell the difference. I was like, maybe because, like, you know, I'm wearing an eyeliner, and sometimes like eyeliner just tends to block, you know, how your mascara looks. But let me show you guys. Can you guys see that? Like, look at my eyelashes, especially from this eye. Look at this eye, the eyelashes. It's just like, they're not really even there. So that is just like so disappointing. I'm like, wow, I thought that, you know, I would have more, it would be more volumizing. I mean, it's, I don't know. It says 12-hour volume, length, and lift. Okay, I have no length and I have no lift. My eyelashes are down. It's not really my thing, but I'm gonna do my other wing eyeliner on my other eye, and I'll come right back with my overall opinion, I guess. Okay guys, so I've even applied a second layer of mascara on top, and it's just really, I don't know, to me it's just not my favorite mascara, and I will definitely be returning this mascara just because I have so many other mascaras, even though I don't really know where they're at. I've tried a good amount of mascaras. I've tried the Marc Jacobs one. Let me tell you what's the name of it. Marc Jacobs no, that's not the name of it. I don't know. All I know, oh wait, Velvet No Major Volume Mascara, maybe. I've tried the Voluminous Million Lashes by L'Oreal, I believe. The Superhero It Cosmetics mascara. I've tried the Better Than Sex by Too Faced. I've tried the Bad Gal Bang by Benefit. I've tried a pretty good amount of mascaras, you guys, and this just does not cut my like, you know, line. For $19, you know, most mascaras, like full sizes, they range about $22 to $24, but this was just really not my type of mascara. So I will be definitely returning this. With the eyeliner, I didn't actually really like the eyeliner. I felt that it was like a little too dry. It would tug on my skin. It just really wasn't my type of mascara. Okay, so now I couldn't find my eyelash curler, so I just applied mascara to the bottom, and let me tell you guys, for the bottom lashes, it actually looks good. It's something that meets my standards. The thing is that it didn't do anything to the top. The reason why I met my standards at the bottom is because I usually put my lashes down, as in, like, you know, I just apply mascara on top and I, you know, brush them down. And with the top one, it just didn't lift anything up, so wasn't, you know, my you know, thing. So overall, I rate this mascara a 4 out of 10, and this, I guess I rated a 6 out of 10. It does work well, I guess. I tried fixing my wings, but the thing is that, like I said, it just pulls on my skin too much. Like, it just tugs, and I just feel like, you know, I can't really get it evenly, even though I think I'm pretty good at doing wing eyeliners. Like, I think I can get them pretty evenly, but I just feel like, you know, this eyeliner just wasn't my thing. It didn't really work out too well for me. But that's my overall opinion. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.